This is a video product review of the Ness Pet Cat Dog Food Scoop. It's a 1 cup, it's BPA free plastic. Less than $5 a piece. 1 cup capacity, made in the US from FDA approved. Well, I'm sure it's not approved, but it's BPA free plastic. Color white or blue depending on what they ship you, so you don't really have a choice. They sent me blue. I'm okay with that. Easy to clean and dishwasher safe. What does it say? Let's check the ratings on this thing. 1,500 ratings, 79%. That's pretty good. It's very good. Let's see, let's look at the bad ratings. 3%, that's not that bad. Okay, so what can I say? I'm going to leave an affiliate link in the video description for this. Not that it's going to make me any money, but that's okay. That's not why I do this. The manufacturer has labeled the scoop as US FDA food contact approved plastic. There is no mention of BPA, but the label or the website does say. Amazon says BPA free. Scoop width is 3 inches. Hey, look at this thing. For $4.70 cents, $4.69. Is it durable? It says it's not breakable. I think it said it's not breakable. Did it say it's not breakable? Let me go back and look again. Easy to clean. No, it doesn't say it's not breakable. There's something that I thought I saw in here where it's got different. Let's get this label out of here. Good. At least they put on a label that you don't have to put chemicals on to wash it off. So we've got little markings over here that say half a cup. I don't know. Oh, there's a half a cup and then a little round thing over here. That's cool. Half a cup or 1 cup for the whole thing. Why did I buy this? I'm not going to use this for kibble. I don't own a horse. And my dog certainly doesn't eat a cup of kibble. I bought this for birdseed. I don't need it. I've got a little funnel thing for the birdseed, but when I go to my mom's house, I use a little container, like a China container, to scoop up the birdseed, and I just thought, maybe for a few dollars I can buy something. I can make a video. Maybe it will help people. Maybe they'll click on the link and I'll make $1 or a penny. No, really. I bought it strictly for the birdseed. I get birdseed outside at my place and on the balcony, and I've got like 240 pounds of birdseed. Cost me a fortune as I feed the world. And I just thought this would be nice. Little handle. Hopefully it's not going to crack. It should serve its purpose. Go in there, scoop it up, fling the birdseed across the backyard. The birds will be happy. The squirrels will be even more happy, or even happier. And the crows will be even happier. So you can't beat it. It's sold from a company called Ness. They got a Ness store. What do they sell? Let me go look. Yeah, it looks like they got a good product. So what else do they sell? They got kennels and food carriers and cat carrier and a what is that called? A litter box, food storage. Yeah, so they're a plastic pet company. Well, that's not a plastic pet. They're a company that sells plastic items that people could use for their pets. This is not a bad deal. So I thought, it's under $5. I'll just go buy 2. 1 for me, 1 for Mom's house, and I'm happy. It's not that expensive. It's going to serve a purpose. If you don't want to spend the money on that, if you just want to use a cup or a glass, well, don't use a glass. If you want to use a cup or but, if you get some money in this tight economy and you want to buy something that's pretty cool, that might make this might even stop you from getting carpal tunnel if you go and scoop your meat. Not scoop your meat. Scoop your food or your kibble or your kitty litter. This might be really good for kitty litter. This could even be good for other stuff, other pets. You could use this, I don't know, maybe you could use this and put your Mr. Bubbles in the bathtub. Just scoop up a cup of Mr. Bubbles and have tons of bubbles in the tub, and you'll be squeaky clean. Ness. Oh, I took it off the screen. Where is it again? Ness Pets Cat and Dog Food Scoop, 1 cup BPA free plastic. I'm going to leave an affiliate link in the video description. Thumbs up, subscribe, like, share, all that cool stuff you're not going to do. Thanks for watching, people. It's not a bad deal. I'm happy.